In this video, I've got a Frigidaire oven and I'm looking to replace one of my stove top burner switches located behind your board here in the front. I'll show you how to access that, remove the face cover, and gain access to these knobs and replace one of them if ever necessary. So first off, I've already killed power, and this is totally optional. I like to pull the door off in order to just have rear access to my board. Not necessary. Underneath, you're going to find there are screws all along the bottom that are required to get your front face cover off. I think there's 5 total, and they are a star bit. So with those underneath screws removed, you cannot forget to remove the screws that actually go to your burner switches. So you have to take off each knob, remove sets of screws, also star bit, and that will allow you then to take this front cover off. You'll pull toward yourself from the lower portion of this panel front cover and up a little bit. So as I was attempting to remove the cover, it's important to recognize that there is this piece right here that will slide up and clip in to your faceplate cover. And if those are not released, then your ability to pull your cover off is going to be hindered. Totally forgot about that. She's free, so I'm going to take her. Okay, with the cover off, you can see where the groove on the oven stovetop is, where this lip will sit into. So that's why it's important to remove it from the bottom side first, and then you just kind of like shimmy your way out of this groove. Needing to exercise some caution and be gentle, but as long as you're pulling up and away from the glass, you should be able to get free. Obviously, food product will keep things stuck in there. One other thing to note is on your board, you'll find that there's a connection of 3 wires, and there will be 2 connection points. It'll be important for you to remove this in order to freely lay your faceplate down. Okay, now that you have your oven front board off, got the small board inside in order to control the bake and timer, clock, all of that components up in here. Yeah, it's one 3-piece connection. You'll be able to locate your switches, and whichever one that needs to be replaced, hopefully you've already identified it. It's fairly simple in its replacement. You've got 5 connections. You've got this red one here, got a black one here, and then this is a complete housing of 3 that you would just pull off. And it's really simple going back on the install. Just do your self-insurance and go ahead and take pictures of its orientation, where the wiring is at, so there's no confusion on what the reinstall should look like. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and let me know. I'll see if I can answer them. Thanks.